Have you ever experienced such a situation, like when you try to edit the Excel cells, only to find you can't? Or a situation where you can't rename, move, or copy Excel sheets? Here comes the solutions. In today's video, I will show you 4 ways to remove passwords from Excel worksheets or workbooks without passwords. Solution 1. Use Google Sheet. Please back up your Excel worksheet first in case of data loss. As you can see, this worksheet is not editable. Now, let's go to Google Sheet and start with a blank spreadsheet. You should navigate to File and choose Import. Go to Upload tab in the new screen. Then drag your password-protected worksheet to Google Sheet. Here, we need to press Import Data button to continue. We need to wait for a while. Now, double-click one cell and you'll find it's editable now. You can directly edit your worksheet here or choose to download and edit the sheet in Microsoft Excel. Now, let's make a summary of this method. This method is free and easy to use, but it will take time to upload if your Excel worksheet is large, and a stable and powerful internet connection is necessary. Solution 2. Change file extension. Locate your password-protected Excel worksheet and change its file extension to zip. Choose Yes if any dialog pops up. Open the zip archive and go to Excel Worksheet. Double-click to open it. Right-click on the locked sheet. Select Edit to open it in Notepad. Press Ctrl F to find Sheet Protection. And delete the whole string. Remember to save the file. Now, update the modified XML file. We need to change the file extension back to XLSX. Open your Excel worksheet and you can edit it as you want. Summary of this method. This method doesn't work for all Microsoft Excel versions. And if there are several locked worksheets in your Excel file, you need to repeat the above operations one by one. Solution 3. Use VBA Code. Locate your password-protected Excel worksheet and open it with Microsoft Excel. Then press Alt plus F11 to bring out the Visual Basic screen. Navigate to Insert Module. A blank screen will pop up. Now insert the VBA code into it. Press F5 to run the code. The program is running. It will take some time to finish and we won't wait for the result here. Summary of this method. This method is a little bit complicated for a computer novice, and it's time-consuming sometimes since you need to unprotect the locked cells one by one. What's more, there is a risk of damaging your data since you need to enter some codes. Solution 4. Use Passper for Excel. Download, install, and run Passper for Excel on your PC. Choose Remove Restrictions on the main interface. Click Select a file to import your locked Excel sheet. Then click the Remove button to begin the removal process. Just within a few seconds, your Excel sheet will be unprotected, and now you can edit the sheet as you wish. Let's make a summary of this method. It's truly easy to use and 100% works. The removal speed is super fast. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a like.